just rebuilt this top suspension arm. It's got poly bushes on. It's got the correct spacers, thick and thin, front and back for a UK car. The fulcrum bolt is torqued up to about 120 Newton meters. It's roughly in the mid of the range that it should be set at. Now I'm going to try and push the arm up and down, and hopefully you'll be able to see this. And what I'm trying to show is the fact that the fulcrum bolt is moving with the arm. I'm pretty sure that shouldn't happen. I'm pretty sure that fulcrum bolt is supposed to be in a fixed position, and the arm should probably swivel on the bushes or on the inner bush, metal bush of the poly bush setup. Now the reason I've rebuilt this is that one of the thin washers had snapped and splayed out. It actually come right out, and I think that was happening because it was being rotated back and forth when it shouldn't be, so it was getting crushed, and then there was friction being applied to it as it was twisting, which caused it to split. I think if I run this long enough, the same thing will happen again, because unfortunately it's really stiff to try and push this arm up and down. I'll have another go. Hopefully you can see the entire arm is, the entire pivot bolt is moving.